Assalamu alaikum. Today I am starting genetics. Nucleic acids are of two types, DNA and RNA. In this chapter we are studying DNA structure, replication and repair. Nucleic acids are required for storage and expression of genetic information. DNA, what is DNA? DNA is basically required for genetic information transferred, or it is a repository of genetic information. It contains hereditary information that is transferred through DNA replication from one generation to the next. Where DNA is located? DNA is located in chromosome, in nucleus, inside nucleus. In the case of plants, it also present inside mitochondria and chloroplast. However, prokaryotes also contain plasmid, which is non-chromosomal DNA. How DNA is replicated? DNA is first transcribed into RNA and then translated into protein. This is central dogma of molecular biology. Second topic is that what is DNA structure? DNA contains three components: nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. At carbon number 1, nitrogenous base is present. At carbon number 5, phosphate group is present. Then second, DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleoside monophosphate covalently linked by 3' 5' phosphodiester bond. Then next topic is that 3' 5' phosphodiester bond. How this bond is formed? It is formed between 3' hydroxyl group of one molecule and 5' hydroxyl group of another through phosphodiester linkage. This is phosphodiester linkage, 3' 5' phosphodiester bond. After this linkage, one single strand is formed which has free 5' end, which contains free phosphate group, and at 3' end free hydroxyl group is present. And nitrogenous bases are written perpendicularly, like from 5' end and at 3' end, like this one. First of all, at 5' end, thymine is present. Thymine, adenine, cytosine and guanine for this structure. And this phosphodiester bond is hydrolyzed enzymatically by nucleases. Because this is DNA, so here we need deoxyribonucleases. And in case of RNA, ribonucleases are needed. Or also hydrolytically, these are cleaved by chemicals. How DNA form double helix? These strands are paired in anti-parallel manner, like 5' end paired with 3' end, and nitrogenous bases are present perpendicularly in this double helix. And when DNA paired with each other, DNA strands paired with each other, then two grooves are formed, like minor groove and major groove. And bases are perpendicularly present here, and deoxyribose phosphate backbone is present outside, and nitrogenous bases are stacked inside. So adenine is always paired with thymine, cytosine always paired with guanine. Adenine is double ringed and guanine is also double ring, while cytosine and thymine are single ring molecules. There are 2 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine, and 3 hydrogen bond is present between cytosine and guanine. And these hydrogen bonds are hydrolyzed or broken down by heat or by pH changes. And what is Chargaff rule? Chargaff rule states that adenine is the amount of adenine is also always equal to the amount of thymine, or we can say the amount of purines, like adenine plus guanine, always equal to the amount of thymine, like thymine plus cytosine. Then how many forms of DNA? There are 3 forms, like B form, A form and Z form. Look at this one. B form is right-handed helix, like first turns to the right, and there are 10 base pair in complete turn of the helix, and nitrogenous bases are always present perpendicularly from each other. Then A form derived from B form through dehydration of B form, like there are 11 base pair that are present 20 degree tilted from this axis. And Z form is totally different. It is left-handed helix, and there are 12 base pair present at right angle, not right angle, at 12 base pairs are present. Linear and circular DNA molecule. Eukaryotes contain linear molecule of double-stranded DNA. However, prokaryotes contain circular double-stranded DNA molecule, and there are always also coiling of the DNA structures like supercoiling. Supercoiling means can be positive supercoiling or underwinding like negative supercoiling means DNA coil around itself to form coils supercoils.